Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready to dictate now. First, make sure Word is updated and microphone permissions are enabled for your computer. Once done, open Word and sign in. Click Home and then Dictate. The button activates the cloud speech engine, so expect a brief connection pause. Select your preferred language and speak a short test sentence to check volume and clarity. If you hear distortion, move closer or change the mic input. After testing, start speaking sentences naturally, pausing for punctuation when needed. Once dictation is running, focus on controlling text with voice commands. Say punctuation words like period, comma, new line, or new paragraph so word inserts formatting as you speak. To edit, say select followed by the phrase, then delete or replace with and speak the correction. This avoids switching to keyboard. Use caps on or off for capitalization, and try undo that or repeat last when you need to backtrack. Make shorter sentences for complex edits. Pause briefly between commands, so Word distinguishes dictation from control phrases. To finish, click the Dictate button again or hit Esc to stop listening, then save your document to OneDrive or locally. Autosave helps if connection drops. For precise formatting like headings, lists, or bold, use quick keyboard shortcuts after dictation to tidy layout. If dictation mishears words or won't start, check microphone permissions, ensure a stable internet connection, and restart Word. Switching to a different mic often fixes persistent recognition errors. If problems persist, sign out and sign back into Office to refresh the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.